Pharma.
Systemic and intrinsic functions of ATRX in glial cell fate and CNS myelination in male mice. Ever wondered what goes on inside your brain? How those intricate connections, called myelin, get built, allowing your thoughts to zip around at lightning speed? Buckle up, science explorers, because today we're diving deep into the world of a mysterious protein called ATRX and its surprising role in this brain rewiring business. Now, ATRX stands for alpha thalassemia/mental retardation X-linked syndrome, quite a mouthful. And as the name suggests, it's linked to a condition affecting brain development. But here's the catch: scientists are still scratching their heads about how exactly it works, especially when it comes to building that crucial myelin in the brain. So, let's crack open a recent study published in Nature Communications and see what the researchers discovered. In a nutshell, they wanted to understand how ATRX plays its part in the dance of glial cells, those unsung heroes responsible for nurturing and guiding myelin formation in the central nervous system, CNS. That's your fancy brain speak for the control center of your thoughts and actions. Remember, myelin is like a superhighway for electrical signals zipping through your brain. And these glial cells, specifically oligodendrocytes, are the construction crews laying down the myelin tracks. The ATRX protein, it seems, acts like a foreman on this construction site, ensuring things run smoothly. But what happens when the foreman goes missing? To answer this, the researchers used a clever trick called knocking out the ATRX gene in male mice. They basically put on their lab coats and did some genetic tinkering, creating mice who lacked this crucial protein. Then, they used fancy imaging techniques to peer into the brains of these mice and observe what was happening to those myelin highways. And guess what? The mice with missing ATRX foreman had major construction delays. Their myelin tracks were thinner, shorter, and overall, not very highway-worthy for those electrical signals. This meant the signals had a bumpy ride, potentially slowing down brain communication. Now, here's the fascinating twist: this myelin mess-up only happened in male mice. The female mice with missing ATRX seemed to fare better, with their myelin highways remaining smooth and efficient. This suggests that other genes, perhaps those on the female X chromosome, might be stepping in and compensating for the missing ATRX, like backup foremen taking over the construction site. So, what does this all mean? Well, it's a step closer to understanding the complex dance of ATRX and how it influences brain wiring. It also opens doors for future research, like investigating the role of those gender-specific backup genes. And who knows, maybe someday, this knowledge can help us develop therapies for conditions like ATRX syndrome, paving the way for smoother brain highways and brighter futures. Thanks for joining me on this scientific adventure. Remember, the brain is a beautiful and intricate mystery, and unraveling its secrets is a journey worth taking. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll discover the next big thing in brain science.
Pharma.